How to relight your 3D renders in Davinci Fusion. First things first, I want to turn down the light on this face here by reducing the gain. I'm going to drop this down quite a bit, so it allows us to see this light effect differently. Next, I'm going to go over to my view layer position node. Now, the problem when taking Blender renders and importing them into Fusion is that the data will be mixed up. Since Blender exports using a Z up interface, other programs such as Fusion won't accept it because will have a hard time processing it since they have a Y up interface. It's an easy fix. All we're going to do is create a custom tool. We're going to head on over to the channels, and this is where we have access to all of our red, green, and blue channels. Simply, we're going to swap our blue channel and our green channel. In our green channel, we're going to make it negative, like so. Now fix our problem. We're going to copy this and put this onto our normal tool, so it'll fix our normals as well. See the difference. Next, we're going to create a channel boolean in our script. On this channel boolean, we're going to turn off all of our red, green, and blue channels. And head on over to the auxiliary portion. And click Enable Extra Channels. We're going to start off with the normal and just pipe this into here. Now over here we have our normal section. X, Y, Z normal. We're just going to use X as red, Y as green, and Z as blue. So we're going to go in here and go red, green, and blue. Now in our channel boolean, we have an additional portion that shows off our normals. This data is now stored into our script. Copy the channel boolean and pipe in our position. And now we have our position data. And now we have to insert our position data here. And now we're in position, we're going to do the same thing. And now we have our position data. Awesome. Now that we have everything together, we're going to add our relight node. It's going to be the shader node. Great. Now that we have the information of the shader node, we can continue. If we didn't have these normals and we just piped in the normal and position node, we can just pipe into the shader. We can see that it doesn't work properly. It's important that you use the normal and the position tool. Subscribe to my channel to watch the rest of my videos on compositing your 3D renders in Davinci Fusion. The following video will be going over how to fine-tune our relight by using volume masks and bitmap nodes to make our relight perfect. After that, I'll go over how to add accumulation and finally color grading your final renders.